Hello, I am Ashwith Bhatt, roll number C12. So, this is the ISC1 component 2 installation of Linux on personal computers. So, first open the VirtualBox. In VirtualBox, click on New, write the name of the operating system, Kali Linux. Type is Linux, version is Debian. Mine version is 64-bit Debian. Click on Next. Now assign the RAM to it. I will assign 3.5 GB RAM almost. Next, hard disk, this will be default, and then I will click on create. Now hard disk file, this will also be default, dynamically allocated. Now hard disk size, I will give it as 20 GB. I will create it. Now go to settings. Now in settings, general settings, this is the name, type, Debian, and in system, motherboard, all this information. In processor, I will allocate 1 CPU, that is default CPU. Now inside, we will display leave it as default, and in storage we will, in controller ID, we'll select empty. We will choose disk, choose the disk file, and here we will choose our Kali installer. Click open. So we will keep all audio, network, serial ports, USB, shared folders, user interface as default, and click on OK. So it will create Kali Linux. Now we will start it. So we have to select. So it is already selected. So I will start it. So here I have to press enter for graphical install. So now I have to select the language. So I will go with English. Continue. Location India. Continue. Keyboard configuration will be American English. So it will. So it is loading additional components. So now I have to enter the host name for the system so that it can be recognized. So I will give my surname. Continue. And no domain name. So I will give my full name. Continue. Now I have to select username. So I will take Ashwith as a username. Continue. I have to enter password. I have to verify it. Then I will continue. So I will use the entire disk. I will keep it as default. This also default. This also. Finish partitioning and write changes. Continue. Yes. Continue. This will take a couple of minutes. So now it is installed. Now software selection, I will take it as default. So now it will again select and install the software. So it will take certain time for installation of software. So once it is installed, now we will install Jira bootloader. We will press continue. We will choose this dev and press on continue. And this will install Jira bootloader. It will take time. Now finishing the installation. So the installation has completed successfully. Now the next step, we will continue. So now we will select Kali Linux GUI, press enter. So we have successfully installed and now it is launching. So now I have to enter my username, which is Ashwith, and the password. Now I will click on login. If they are valid, then we'll go inside it. It will take time to go. So you have successfully installed it, the Kali Linux. Thank you.